close to 100,000 students become more successful on ClickBank. Our videos have been watched millions of times, and we've seen amazing success stories. And with all that, we've gotten really clear about what holds people back, what truly holds people back. And might be a surprise here, but traffic is what everyone says is holding them back, but traffic is actually not the problem, okay? Traffic is not the problem. It's actually not even close to the problem. And I could tell you right now, you can actually have unlimited traffic, okay? All of us can have unlimited traffic. And sounds great, right? Well, you can have unlimited traffic, right? Facebook, you can pay Facebook, for example, to get millions of people in front of your sales pages, your opt-in pages, your affiliate links every single day, right? You can pay them. Facebook is worth several hundreds of billions of dollars because of one thing. The way they make money is one thing on Facebook. It's advertising. They allow advertisers to advertise to their billions of users, right? Same goes with Google. How do you think they make so much money? Why are they worth so much? Just advertisers. That's it. Paying Google to advertise. How about YouTube? How do they make money? Advertisers. So the question now is, traffic still the issue? And Jody got it right here. Jody skipped ahead almost. Good job, Jody. All right, is traffic the issue? Now Mark says no. I guess money is now the issue, right? Money is the issue, says Brent. Money, says Jess. All right. So money is now kind of the issue, because if you had unlimited money, or you had a lot of money, you could pay for these ads, right? You can reach millions of people. And these companies, which are super, super valuable, are only valuable because they allow you to advertise. They allow you to put money in and get traffic out, right? That is the point. That's why they exist. So now it seems like money's the issue, right? So you need to pay for the advertising. Now, you could go after free advertising strategies, okay? So there is free traffic, and with free traffic, it's free, but it's not free in the sense that you're basically paying because there's going to be way more effort that you're going to have to spend. There's way more time that you're going to have to spend with free traffic. You can make free videos on YouTube, right? And you can grow a following. Maybe you make a blog around your niche and you create great content and you grow a following there. You can interact on forums or on social media groups. You can do it, and I've seen people do it successfully, but it's not how the pros do it, okay? The top clients on ClickBank make almost all their money not using free traffic, okay? They do it through paid traffic sources. So when we talked about the shortcut to success, the shortcut to success is seeing what successful clients do and emulating their success. So let's stick with paid traffic right now. And my question now is money really the issue? Because Facebook and many other ad platforms actually allow you to advertise for just $5, to get started for $5. So if they allow you to get started with $5, is that the roadblock, the $5 to get started? No, that's not the roadblock, right? Says Chad, Enrique, Shara, Jess, Ryan, Will. All right, that's not the roadblock. The roadblock is, and this is the whole point of what we're going to cover in here, is your goal as a marketer with paid ads is to get more money than you put in. Okay, so if you put in $1 of ads, or say $5, you need to get more out. So if you can put in $1 and you can get out $2, would you repeat that process? Would you guys scale? Yes, right? Hell yeah, says Sarah. All right, the yeses are flying in. Hundreds of yeses here. That's the goal, all right? So the goal is about creating a profitable system to get more money out than you put in. That's what's holding you back. You need a way to get more money out than what you spend with your advertisers. So put in $1, get out $2. If you can scale that, what that means is put in $1,000